Hello and welcome. Thank you so much for your time today. I do value your time. In this lecture, we will learn how to create T-SQL comments. We'll create single line comments. We'll also create multiple line comments. Comments are useful in T-SQL queries because they help you either describe your query or prevent certain parts of the query from executing. So comments, wherever there are comments in a T-SQL query, the comments are ignored when the query is executed. I have got my SQL Server Management Studio opened, also referred to as SSMS. I have got my query window here on the right, and I have got some query inside the query window, and I've got an output from one of the queries that I have executed. You can see the cursor flashing there, so that's the query I executed to generate this output of results. So we are going to create a single line comment. I'm going to create two single line comments. To create a single line comment in T-SQL, all you need is two dashes, 1, 2, and that line turns green. I'll create another one here, 1, 2. So the statements or the comments are all ignored when the query is executed. So if I put my cursor there and execute this query, it will completely ignore the go on line 1 and the go on line 4 because I have commented them out. These are known as single line comments. They are created using two dashes. So let me execute that and go execute. You notice the query has returned an output, completely ignored the go command. Next, we are going to create a multiple line comment. To create a multiple line comment, you do a slash followed by the asterisk. You must also end it, and then you do an asterisk and then a slash again. The slash is the slash on your keyboard where you've got the question mark. I am using a UK keyboard, so it's the /, which is the slash on the keyboard that also contains a question mark. So this is how you create a multiple line comment. You start it with the / and then the asterisk, and then the query you want to comment out, and then you must end it with an asterisk and then another /. If you don't end it, for example, if I had other queries on here and I didn't end it, they will all turn green. Anything that turns green will not be included when the query is executed. So it's very important to terminate the multiple line comment so it doesn't affect other queries on the query window. So if I run, for example, if I highlight this entire page and go execute, it will still return this same query here because it will only run the code from line 2 and 3. It will ignore all the other queries on this query window. So let's execute that. So you can see it's returned the same thing because I've commented this out, it's ignored it. So this is how you would create a multiple line comment in T-SQL. In this lecture, we learned how to create a single line comment in T-SQL, and also how to create a multiple line comment in T-SQL. Comments are useful because they help you prevent certain part of your query or code from executing. So if you wanted to experiment and you only wanted certain parts of a code to run or execute, you can comment that part out. Thank you so much for your time today. Please let me know if you have any questions whatsoever. I'll be more than delighted to help. I wish you all the best. Take care and bye for now.